hold midterm to long term. All right, we're gonna learn how to check the fundamentals real quick. Kick the tires, look under the hood, what to look for, so on and so forth. There's no magical formula for picking a stock. If it were that easy, we would all be billionaires. First thing you should check is the CEO. Who is he? You got to do your research on the CEO. Is he a loose cannon? Is he a Steve Jobs or a Elon Musk? Did he do 5 years in prison for Ponzi scheme in Europe? These are things you got to find out about who is running the company. Next, you want to go into Yahoo Finance. On the summary, scroll down and check the EPS. The higher the number, the better. If a EPS is in the negative, is that bad? Could be, could not be. Remember, these numbers are lagging. Companies and statements are forward looking. A company with bad numbers today could have good numbers tomorrow. Next, you want to go into Yahoo under the tab Statistics. Check the income statement. Compare their sales versus their expenditures. Make sure the sales numbers are higher than expenditures, okay? Most of these are common sense. Company has to be taking in more than they're letting out, all right? These are just quick checks. There's no right way or a wrong way because the markets are too complex. Business and finance and the stock market conditions, everything is just too complex to have a magic formula for a stock that's going to be successful. Okay, but we still want to do our checks. All right, if you're hiring someone and they come in with a resume with no experience, are they going to underperform? No. You can't just judge by the inexperience, okay? We got small companies coming up that's growing fast, that has not much to look at in terms of data. Okay, but we still want to do best practices. All right, next you go to their net profit. Make sure they're making money, all right? Check their balance sheet. Also, look for a earnings of 15% or higher. Earnings growth, 15% or higher, okay? You want to check their balance sheet, check their assets versus their liability. Make sure they have no debt or a tiny debt because you want an edge. Company that has a lot of debt could get in problems real quick. Next, you want to check their cash flow statement. Yeah, this is on the Yahoo Finance Statistics.